Hello, my name is Lohesh. I'm a Tekla Structures developer, trainer, and consultant. In this video, I'll be showcasing a new tool I developed for one of my clients, designed to check and manage bolt access directly within the model. Let's begin with an example. Here is the 3D view of a sample model provided by Tekla. We're going to check if there are any head side access, nut side access, or both side access. Now, I'll select the group of bolts that I want to check for access. Next, I'll enter the tolerance details. After that, we have provided three main options to simplify your checking process. Edge distance. This option verifies whether there's sufficient spacing between the bolt and the plate edge to prevent any plate damage after bolt placement. The minimum edge distance can be defined by the user. Single bolt. This option treats a group of bolts as a single bolt, giving you faster results. Ignore nut side. This checks for head side access only and ignores nut side access. You can see how much the time reduced when selecting single bolt option. You can also enable errors only mode to display only the bolts that have access issues. For more detailed analysis, we've included two additional features. Zoom option. When enabled, you can double-click a bolt's serial number to automatically zoom into it. This helps reduce search time and prevents accidental clicks. And Detail option performs an in-depth analysis with more detailed output for bolt access, which can be seen when you zoom in the particular bolt. The data sheet displays detailed information for each bolt, including grip length, edge distance, and more. As you can see, even the sample model provided by Tekla has some bolt access issues, which can be quite frustrating to detect manually without this tool. And one more thing. If you need any assistance or wish to contact us, simply press the help icon, and it will take you to our support page. Once again, my name is Lohesh. I have over 5 years of experience working with Tekla Structures and as a steel detailer. If you need a custom-developed tool for Tekla Structures, feel free to reach out to us at Vigash. I'd be happy to explore how we can create the right solution for you.